I am a hustler, so I invested in Tesla. I am a hustler, so I invested in Tesla. You did. Feel good investing, y'all. F with me. Yo, what's crack-a-lacking, y'all? This Feel Good with Feel Good Investing. I came across this stock the other day that I want to share with y'all. Ticker symbol is in the corner, DNMR, DNMR Scientific. This company just completed a merger with the SPAC Live Oak recently, and as you can see, when they did the merger, it had a major bull run. It hit a high of like $31, but since it pulled back to like the $22 level, it's $22.40 in the pre-market, but it still has a bullish indicator, like a bullish trajectory, for the future. So I think this company would do numbers, not in the short term, but most definitely 5 to 6 months and beyond, just for the simple fact they are a company that's creating biodegradable plastics. Even though the RSI is high, I bought 2 or 3 shares yesterday just to get my foot wet, because you never know how the stock gonna go when it's brand new. But if it goes back down to like the 50-point level on the RSI, I will most definitely be adding more to my positions to average down my cost basis. So let's head over to their website and see exactly what they're about. DNMR Scientific is a pioneer in creating more sustainable, more natural ways to make plastic products sold under the proprietary no-dat trademark brand name. For more than a decade, the company's renewable and sustainable biopolymers have helped create plastic products that are 100% biodegradable and compostable. DNMR's products return to nature instead of polluting our lands and water. The company's technology can be found in a vast array of plastic end-use products that people use every day. Applications for our biopolymers include additives, aqueous coating, fibers, filaments, films, injection mold articles, among others. The company now holds more than 150 patents in nearly 20 countries for a range of manufacturing processes and biopolymers formulations. So just in the company overview, you can see the direction and the potential of this company in the long term. They are solving the plastic problem that exists on our planet. Like, you have so many plastic bottles, plastic things, plastic parts in the ocean that's polluting the oceans, polluting the lands, and this company here is reversing that problem. I think this is a long-term or must-have position. Add it to your portfolio. Keep it for as long as you would like. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so you make your own trades using your own mind and your own money and your own intuition. But for me personally, I want to rack up as much shares as possible of this company, especially when it goes below that 70-point RSI threshold. So let's look at the latest news. DNMR Scientific, a next generation bioplastic company, completes the business combination with Live Oak acquisition. I just told you that. Chimera announced its partnership with DNMR Scientific to develop biodegradable coating for paper and board industry. November 17, adding and replacing DNMR Scientific and Eagle Beverage to produce biodegradable drinking straws for quick service restaurants. That's what I'm saying. Imagine all the restaurants that serve your traditional plastic straws. I know some restaurants went towards the cardboard type straws, and I hate those. But I'm pretty sure that this company would make a decent plastic substitute that don't feel and resemble like cardboard. Cause you let the cardboard straw sit in your water for a minute, it gets soggy, and next time you know you drinking cardboard particles. So, and the main thing that made me invest into this company is when I saw the news on Benzinga Pro. Notable, you hear my baby in the background. I'm holding her right now, so bear with me. She want to be famous, I guess. So, the notable insider buys of the past week, DNMR Scientific. Let's scroll down. Special Purpose Acquisition Company, SPAC Live Oak, saw a pair of 10% owners buy to the merger that resulted in DNMR Scientific. The 9.81 million shares they acquired altogether at $10 per share added up to the 98 million. Share of this bioplastic companies ended in this past week trading at $23 a piece, which was more than twice the above purchase price. See, I wish I would have known about this once they merged, but evidently I missed out on it. But it's still not too late because they just merged. This company still has a long way to go. So if you feel comfortable in adding this to your portfolio, and do so. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Like I said, I think this has a lot of upside. I'm keeping this in my portfolio for at least a couple of years until I see a decent return. And I just like investing in companies that's thinking, in the future, trying to help out the planet, disrupting what's currently going on right now. And this company is most definitely a top pick of mine. So while you investing, remember always to feel good while you doing that. Feel good investing. Holla at you.